Ever stared blankly at a form asking for your address, a bead of sweat trickling down your temple as you realize you haven't updated it everywhere? Especially on platforms that handle your hard-earned money, like your crypto exchange? Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of managing your digital assets on Newton: how to change your address. Now, you might be thinking, why would I need to change my address on a crypto platform? Well, life happens. You might have moved to a new city, a different province, or even just across town. Perhaps you're updating your personal information for security reasons or to align with new legal requirements. Whatever the reason, keeping your information accurate on financial platforms like Newton is paramount. It ensures smooth transactions, helps with verification processes, and most importantly, keeps your account secure. Imagine trying to recover your account or dealing with compliance issues with outdated information. It's a headache you definitely want to avoid. Newton, being a regulated Canadian crypto exchange, takes user verification and security seriously. This means that changes to your personal information, including your address, aren't always a simple one-click process. They have procedures in place to protect your funds and identity. So, while the process might seem a little involved, it's all in the name of keeping your crypto safe. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why Newton needs your address in the first place. It's primarily for regulatory compliance. Financial institutions, including crypto exchanges, are required to know their customers. This is often referred to as KYC, Know Your Customer, regulations. Your address is a key piece of this puzzle, helping Newton verify your identity and prevent illicit activities. Additionally, your address might be used for sending important communications, legal documents, or in some cases, even physical mail if required. So, providing and keeping this information up to date is not just a formality, it's a necessary step in participating in the regulated crypto space. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually change your address on Newton? It's important to understand that unlike some basic profile changes, updating your address on a financial platform usually involves a level of verification to ensure it's really you making the change. This means you likely won't find a simple Edit Address button within your profile settings. Based on Newton's current procedures and typical practices for regulated exchanges, the process for changing your address likely involves contacting their support team directly. Here's a breakdown of the steps you'll probably need to follow. Step 1. Access the Newton support channels. The first thing you'll need to do is find the official support channels for Newton. Avoid searching for random phone numbers or clicking on suspicious links. The safest way is to go directly to the official Newton website or app. Look for a Support, Help Center, or Contact US section. You'll typically find several ways to get in touch, such as in-app support. Many platforms offer a direct messaging or chat feature within their mobile app. This is often the most convenient way to reach support. Email support. You'll likely find a dedicated support email address. Help Center/FAQ. While this might not directly allow you to change your address, it often contains valuable information about the process and the required documentation. Social media. Use with caution. While Newton might have social media channels, these are generally not the best place to discuss sensitive account information. Use them for general inquiries, but always stick to official support channels for account-specific issues. Step 2. Initiate contact and explain your request. Once you've found the appropriate support channel, reach out and clearly state that you need to update your residential address on your Newton account. Be polite and provide your account details to help them identify you quickly. This might include your full name, email address associated with your account, and potentially your user ID if you have it readily available. Step 3. Understand the required documentation. This is a crucial step. Because changing your address is a security-sensitive action, Newton will likely require you to provide proof of your new address. The specific documents they accept can vary, but common examples include a recent utility bill. This could be an electricity, gas, water, or internet bill issued in your name and showing your new address. Make sure it's dated within the last 3 months. This time frame is typical but can vary. A bank statement, a recent bank statement showing your name and new address. Again, ensure it's within the acceptable time frame. A government-issued document, this could be a driver's license, national ID card, or a recent tax assessment showing your current address. Keep in mind that if you're using a driver's license or ID, they might also require a separate document to confirm the address if it hasn't been updated on the ID itself. A lease agreement or mortgage statement, these official documents can also serve as proof of address. Important considerations for documentation. Clarity. Ensure the documents you provide are clear, legible, and not blurry. All the information, including your name, address, and the date of issue, should be easily readable. Completeness. Provide the entire document, not just a cropped section. Validity. Make sure the document is recent and within the time frame specified by Newton. File format. If you're submitting documents electronically, be aware of the accepted file formats, e.g., PDF, JPG, PNG, and any size limitations. Step 4. Follow Newton's instructions for submission. The Newton support team will guide you on how to submit the required documentation. This might involve uploading documents through the in-app chat or a secure portal. This is often the most secure method. Attaching documents to an email. If submitting via email, ensure the attachments are password protected if you're concerned about security, though Newton's email communication should be secure. In some rare cases, they might have other specific instructions. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. Once you've submitted your request and the necessary documents, the Newton support team will need time to review and process your request. The processing time can vary depending on their current workload and the complexity of your case. Be patient, but don't hesitate to follow up politely after a reasonable time frame, e.g., a few business days, if you haven't heard back. When you follow up, reference your initial support ticket or communication to help them locate your case quickly. Step 6. Confirm the address change. Once Newton has processed your request, they should notify you that your address has been updated. Take the time to log into your account and verify that the new address is correctly reflected in your profile settings. This is an important step to ensure the change has been made accurately. Troubleshooting and important tips. Communication is key. Maintain clear and polite communication with the Newton support team throughout the process. Provide accurate information. Double-check all the information you provide, especially your new address and account details. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.